Good morning. It's a pleasure to host today Sinclair Senior Manager, Madame Sabrine Hamish, and he want to explain our relationship today.
It's a pleasure for us actually to be hosted by Dr. Piovano and the entire staff. We're working together for many years now, and it's always very successful, all what we organize here. Our doctors are always happy, and basically we are doing for 2 years more or less our international workshops here. We're having doctors coming from different countries, learning from the experience of Dr. Piovano and sharing also their different experiences in the countries. So it's very synergic workshop, and it's always done in very, very good atmosphere.
And today we have the first day, we have the training on Ellansé. Ellansé is advanced filler, and we have a live injection. We have from me, the first one patient, and then we have a material and method explanation, how to use, how to choose, when use a product like this. And then in the afternoon, in the second part of the day, we have a lot model and the patient, the doctor, hands-on on the patient.
It's an international workshop. We used to do it, and we find it very interesting because it's not only attending to have, it's not one-way training actually, it's a lot about exchanges and discussions. So please feel free to tell us how you are doing in your clinics, what you have seen working or not, and just exchanging about everything. Just to introduce in a better way myself, because earlier it was quite quick. I'm Sabrine Hamish. I'm working at Sinclair Pharma for 7 years now, and I'm head of marketing, education and training for Europe and Middle East Africa. So any question about the company, that's for me. Any question about the product and the techniques, it's for Dr. Piovano. What I wanted to say today, actually, it's a day focused on Ellansé. You know it, all of you already, so it will be more advanced techniques and discussions. And we will have a short presentation. We'll proceed with the first patient as a demonstration for the nose. And then we'll have 4 other patients for the hands-on, so you can do them yourselves.
Photograph.
Now, 1 year ago.
1 year ago.
About. And not.
Now I see a little deflation of the nasolateral sulcus. To have this feeling, this point, we make a camouflage of a bag. See? Yes. This is the. We have deflation of this part. So I think we can inject from here in this line. Funny technique. Entry point. There's a little hump. If you want, we can make correction here. Very little. Quindi c'è una piccola copertina, no? La possiamo un po' ridurre e prendo qua. What kind of lower. I told you before that this part we need a lot of product. Usually I am very conservative, but for this part we need This is not dominant finger to protect the when I touch the bone, but it's simple
Yes,
to
yes.
use. It's a little bit expensive.
Yeah.
In Italy we pay 10,000 euro, 8, 9. Butterfly. Soft tail butterfly. Riesci?
לא, מעל השם, ספקות הנוס, ספקות הנוס, superficial,
Ok, this. Capito piano. Che ha preso un po' di fascia. Hai touch. Fermi, non va a appoggiare sul lettino. La mia assistente mi appoggia sempre. Capito? Sono operatore che rigido, questo invece è morbido. Le cosce, on the bone. Bene.